that I mean loves, man.
By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we went, when we remember Zion.
Kings of kings, lords of lords, long the land child of Judah. Let God, mighty God, earth strive for ruler. Blessed be the man who walketh not in the counsel of the godly, and standeth to meet our sinner.
Cause the wicked carried us away, captivity require from us a song.
I'll sit in the seat of the scornful, for his delight is in the law of the Lord, and his laws to meditate day and night. Before he shall be like the tree that planted by the river of many water, that bringeth new fruit in its season. His leaf also shall not be down, towards the man which shall prosper. The weak hearts are not so, oh no. They are like the charge which will drive it away. If the weak hearts will stand to the judgment, now it's using the completion of the righteous. So from Exodus to Leviticus, Father, I will never ever make a fuss. Let love shine along the way. Let love shine so light each and every day. And you would be what the good God will say. Man, say let the love shine along the way. But you sing the song of Zion so strong that you never will be wrong. Earth comes to be the fullness thereof. Now it's come to be the Lord, King Alpha. So we sing the song, brother, sing the song strong, strong. Play man, play on strong. Let peace shine in your heart. Let peace shine along the way. You love one and like you love yourself. And love your mother.
By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we went, when we remember Zion.
Peace and love, brothers and sisters, peace and love. Make love and not war, cause you have to stay far. War is ugly, but love is lovely, you know that.